Zahabun means gold, and nuhas it comes for copper and bronze. Bronze also it is said. Yes. Umrah, Umrah, wait, let me correct the sentence you have done. Alana astatiyu an ara jayadan. Now I am able to see, and I am unable or I can see. An ara, it comes in the meaning of masdar. So now I am able to see very well. Sahihun. It's correct. Innahu iqdun jamilun. Sahihun is also which you have left. Sahihun, it's correct. Innahu iqdun jamilun. This is indeed it is a, or of course it is a beautiful necklace. Walakinnahu laysa misla lazi shahadnahu fi zalikal mahal. But it is not like that which we saw in that place. It is not shop, it is place. Mahal. Haza masnoom minan nahas. This is made of bronze. Yes. Now the next one. Hmm. Ab- don't read sentence like that. Umra, this is not like that. La taqul haza innahu masnoon. La taqul haza. This is conversation. La taqul haza innahu masnoon min az-zahab. These are two sentences. La taqul haza. Don't say this. Innahu masnoon min az-zahab. This is made of gold. Now the next one. No, 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 Umrah, your turn is finished now. Two sentences you have read. A very long sentence also it was. Yes, many sentences were there. The next one. Next one. Munazzaka field. Yes. Hmm. 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 Not Min. Minhu. Hmm. Minhu. It is not minha. Minhu. Minhu haza. Minhu hadaya lil auladi. Yes. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Jayadan. Jayadan is also coming very well. Hmm. Hmm. Is Huwa fi suqi. It is in Connaught Place. Place market. Suqi Connaught Place is Connaught Place is coming. Hmm. Hmm. Na mahallil al'abil atfal. Children's playthings from the shop of playthings allazi from which ishtarayna minhu we bought from that gifts for the children hadaya lil auladi from which we bought brought or bought. Yes. Hmm. 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 Ala kullin moreover है ना और uh, above everything. Huh. Above all. Hmm. قولي الذي يهم. قولي. قولي. This is قولي. Say. Tell me. قولي. This is قولي. قولي. This is فعل أمر صيغة. I told you to write gardan of from قل. فعل أمر gardan I told you to write in Medina Arabic reader. In Medina Arabic reader you have written फعल अम्र गर्दान है ना. There you have written quli. Qul, qula, qulu, quli. Quli is comes for wahid muannas hazir. Tell me. Allazi yahummu. What is the important? है ना. Tell me the main point. Tell me the important thing. Allazi yahummu, which is important. Tell me that thing. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. Above all, tell me. Hmm. Yes. Hmm. Hmm. That matters you only, or that you that is important for you only, है ना. You हाँ. Yes. Tahum moke should come beta. Tahum moka will not come. Tahum moke, because ki comes for muannas na. He is saying to the girl. That's why ante aizan tatazakkarina. You also memorize the things which matters to you, or which are important for you only. Yes. So here it should be tahummuki. Yes. Hamma yahummu. Hamma yahummu. From this aham word comes, which is used in Urdu also. Aham. Aham means very important. Yes. Yes. This coming. Now the next one. Now the next one. Three sentences you have read, na? The next four sentences you have read. The next one. Next one. I'm not understanding boys from boys side. Ahmed Misbah, are you here? Fidian? From boys, no one is reading. Only Umar sometimes is raising his hand, or he is reading. But other boys, Ahmed Misbah, are you present? Fidian? I am calling Ahmed Misbah, Fidian, another Moiz Khaliq, Mehtab Nadir. Anyone is there? Are you present in class? No one is there. Who are you? Moiz Khaliq. Now unmute your mic and start reading. Too quickly. Okay. Fidian, what is your excuse? Ahmed Misbah, are you here? Let me check how many students are there. Ammar Zahid, Alishba Tariq, and Abdul Rahim, Abdul Awwal, Labib Anwar, Mehtab Nadir. They are in class. Who is attending class? Eh? Who are you? Ammar Zahid. Yes, read. Ammar Zahid. Hmm. 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 They have not they read. Ita basala yaselo to read. Oof, oof. Listen me na. Listen to me. That they qad wasalu. They had reached. Yes. Hmm. Yes. After. Fima bad. Wait, wait. Fima badu means after. Only after. है ना? After this, after that is not coming. Fima badu after. Yes. We will talk about it on this matter after. Yes. Hmm. 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 Okay. Now. Hmm. It is not naam. Ayu naam. Ay naam. Ay naam. Ay. Oh. Ammar, listen carefully. This word is ay naam. Oh yes. Hmm. 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 Now the next one. Now the next one. Hmm. Abdurrahman Salim, you want to read? So you start reading. Yes. Abdurrahman Salim, you start reading. Do quickly. Next one. Anyone else? No one is there? Anyone else? Boys? Fidian? Okay. Yes. Next one. Time is going to finish. Do quickly. Anyone else? Ahmad Misbah is not there. Abdur Rahim? Yes, read. Who? No. Dua Khan? Yes. Read. Start reading. Hmm. فَلَوَّحَ لَهُمْ أَحْمَدُ وَأَمَانِ بِالْأَيْدِي. Lawwaha means to wave. To wave. Ahmad and Amani waved their hands for them. Hmm. Hmm. Yes. قدم الأصدقاء إلى طاولتهما. The the friends came to their table. Hmm. Hmm. Mutabadilina to exchanging or changing, exchanging. Salam and yes, yes. And some sentences of humor like that. Exchanging salam and greeting and humor. Yes. Hmm. To their table. The friend came to their table. Exchanging greeting means both were saying salam. Hmm. Huh. Yes. Hmm. All of them. Talab al Jamiyu. All of them asked. Hmm. Talaba means not it. Not it. Talaba means not it. Talaba means asked. Yes. Asked for drink and edibles and drink. Kullun ala kaifihi as they wish. As they want, they all ask for drink and edibles. Yes. Now, there are so many words. Uh, Here I can I ask you? I told you that that day I told whose voice is coming? That day I kullun ala kaifihi, everyone on his wish, and according his wish. There it is coming according they want. Kaifa means uh, yes. According to their choice also you can say, but according that what they want. Yes. I want that you have to should know word to word. After that, you can change it in that proper language. It will be better. Okay, you should know word to word meaning. Understand? Yes. Lavaha you have written because it is a new word. You are not knowing. I know. Lavaha means to wave. The like waving hand. है ना? लवाहा bil id. Now in this I told you that you have to pick out motal and afal motalla also. So have you picked out? Yes. In this chapter we have to practice zamair. Zamair are given there. So you know that two three types of zamair are there. You know na very well. Zamair. Some zamair marfu'a, zamair marfu, zamair mansub, and zamair majroor. Last year you have read. I taught you, that's why I know. Zamaire marfu'a, Zamaire muttasila and munfasila also you have read. So Zamaire munfasila, they are marfu Zamair or mansub Zamair, and there are muttasil Zamair which are attached Zamair. So attached Zamair comes with fail in halate rafa, they comes with fail. In halate nasab, they comes as maful bihi or they comes as innaz or hurufe hurufe nasibaz ism, as they are coming hurufe nasibaz ism. And zamir majroor may be majroor as noun, they may be majroor. Shafi Iqbal, what is going on? Shafi Iqbal, What is it? Zamaira majroor, when any zamir is coming as muzaf ilayh or it is coming with harf jar, so it will be obviously it will be majroor, as you know very well that zamair are noun. Zamair are nouns. You know, isme zamir. That's why it is called isme zamir. They are marfa. About it you also have read. So they may be fa'il, they may be maful bihi, they may be inna wa khawatihaz ism, and they may be uh, muzaf ilay, and they may be majroor with harf jar. Okay. Now clear? So I am explaining here. I think I'll very short time is left for Zoom meeting. I am writing here Zamair. They are huwa, huma, they, whom, then here, huma, hunna, and they are ghaib Zamair. These are used for ghaib, and anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna. They are ज़माइर मरफू मुनफसिल. ज़मीर मरफू मुनफसिल. We have to practice, है ना? अंतम, अंती, अंतुमा, अंतुन्ना, ana, and nahnu. These two sigas comes for mutakallim. So you will find that they are 14. They are 14. 6 sigas comes for mufrad musanna jama, muzakkar muannas, and like that 6 sigas comes for hazir. They are anta, antuma, antum for 3 for muzakkar and muannas, mufrad musanna jama. Ana, nahnu, there are 2. Ana comes for wahid mutakallim, nahnu comes for jama mutakallim. Yes, my voice is coming to you all. These are zamir marfu munfasil. Munfasil means detached, which are not attached. Zamir marfu, they can be used if they are coming as mubtada, so they will be used marfu, because mubtada will be always marfu. So marfuat you should know, you should memorize marfuat. Marfuat are file and maful bihi, file